Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to adjust your privacy settings on WhatsApp web, specifically focusing on allowing everyone to see your About information. This new update makes it super easy to control who views your personal info. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open WhatsApp web on your computer. If you haven't already linked your WhatsApp account, simply visit web.whatsapp.com in your web browser. Then, open WhatsApp on your phone, go to Linked Devices, and scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. This will connect your account to WhatsApp web. Once you're in, look to the left side menu. You should click on the gear icon located there. This icon will take you directly to your settings menu. In the settings menu, enter the privacy section. Here is where you can customize who sees your personal information. You'll find various options to control who can see your last seen status, profile photo, and more. Next, select About. This setting controls who can view the information displayed in your About section, which might include a brief personal description or your current status. Now, you'll see a few options. Everyone, my contacts accept, and nobody. To allow everyone to see your About information, simply choose Everyone, and that's it. By selecting Everyone, all WhatsApp users, whether they are in your contacts or not, will be able to see the information you've included in your About section. A few things to keep in mind. If you don't share your last seen or online status, you won't be able to see other users' last seen or online status. Also, there's no way to hide your phone number on WhatsApp. It will always be visible. Customizing your privacy settings is a great way to manage your online presence and control what information you share with others. This simple adjustment ensures that your About information is visible to everyone on WhatsApp web, if that's your preference.